In today's lesson, I want us to carry on with the second example of addition of time. So what you have to note with this second one, so it's this part, is that we have 1 dot dot 10, we have 2 dot dot 5 5. We are adding. So first thing, we add the hours, then we add the minutes. So 1 plus 2 is going to be 3, then 10 plus 55 is going to be 65. So when we were stating back then, we stated that we only have 60 minutes. And each and every 60 minutes forms an hour. Okay, now let me just say 1 hour. So what are we supposed to do here? We're supposed to convert these and steal or remove an hour, which is 60 minutes. So if we say 65 minus 60, we're going to remain with 5, which is going to be our final minutes. So we're gonna have 5 minutes. Okay, remember we already added that the time is 3. So we're going to take this minute that we removed, which was just hanging, and then we add it here. So it's gonna be plus 1. So the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to say 3 plus 1 is gonna be 4, and then the minute that we had, we're gonna have a 0.5 there, and you are done with the final answer. I hope this made sense. So let me just jump to the next, which is 440. Okay, hoping that this will also make sense. So it is 440, and I wrote a 0 plus 3, 30. What do? We say 4 plus 3 is gonna be 7. 40 plus 30 is gonna be 70. Remember, 160 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So what are we going to do? We're going to say 70 minus 60. Why? We're trying to remove 1 hour from the 70. So we're gonna remain with a 10. So it means that our final minutes are going to be 10 minutes and the final answer. And then we have a hanging 1 hour here. So we're going to add it here on the 7. So we're going to say 1 plus 7 is going to be 8. And then the minutes with 10. So it's going to be 8:10. And then you are done with the final answer. I hope this is making sense. Jumping to the next, we have 5:30. Okay, let me remove this. So we have 5:30 plus 5:40. What do? 5 plus 5 is gonna be 10. 40 plus 30 is gonna be 70. Yeah, 70. Remember, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So we're going to say 70 minus 60. Trying to remove an hour from this 70. We're going to remain with a 10. So this 10 is going to be the final minutes on the answer. The next thing that we do, we take the hanging 1 hour, we add it on this hour. So it's gonna be 1 plus 10, which is gonna be 11. We had our minutes here, so it's gonna be 10. And you are done. I hope this made sense.